Okay, so to bleed the brakes, there's actually, back in here on the top, there's a bleeder. Let me see if I can get my focus going to help you out here. There's a bleeder right here, this nipple. This is the brake fluid bleeder. And you want to get the proper wrench to fit on it. Get a wrench that fits it properly. Don't go using any vice grips or anything foolish. This one is actually, somebody used something on this before it's damaged, so this is going to be replaced. Use the proper wrench on it. Now, you remember that. That's where that is, okay? And it's on the back of your caliper, as you can see right here, okay? Now, same in the front too, by the way. Now, let's go up to the other end. Here is our master cylinder, so we need to make sure we have this topped up. Now, what happens when we push our brake? When we push our brake pedal right here down, what happens is it drives up a piston in the back in here. You can see this moving. It pushes right up, and there's actually this T right here is where our brakes are. Now, I'm not going to get into this too much, but the T, one pipe from the T goes to your master cylinder and connects to, and the other part of the T goes off to your brakes in the back. So this pipe here is for. Okay, this one here. So when you push down on this, it compresses, it makes pressure in the whole system and closes the brakes off in the back, pushes the pistons. So what happens sometimes, if you push this when you have your brake off, when you push it down, it'll force brake fluid out, and when you open it back up again, it'll suck in air. And air is no good in your brake system. You don't want any air in it. It'll make your pedal really spongy. So what we need to do is get any air out. So here's what you do. You need to make sure, first of all, that your master cylinder is topped up with brake fluid up here. Then you have your wrench on your bleeder nipple back here in the back. So your wrench is on the bleeder nipple. And then, if you have a buddy, you can get your buddy to help you with this, but you can do it yourself too. What you do is, you put pressure down on the brake pedal, down here, and you press it all the way down as hard as you can. And while it's pressed, you actually keep it pressed down, you open this valve. And what's going to happen is you're going to get a squirt of brake fluid and air out through this thing. Now, it'll go all over the place, so make sure you got something behind it to catch it. Okay, it'll squirt out. And then you close it again. Snug, close it really snug. And then you go up here, back in your brake, and you let it off. And you press down again. Now, what I do is I give a couple of jolts like this first, before I'm ready to open the valve again. So I push down, I hold it down, go back to my bleeder, and I open the bleeder again. It goes squirt, and I close it. And then I let the brake go again. Now, I do that over and over, and when I say over and over, like 150,000 times. Sometimes it takes a long time, so you got to be very patient, okay? Now, that's okay, and I know some people are out there, and some mechanics are hearing this and they're saying, oh, that guy's mental, you can't do that. Well, yeah, I know, this is not the best way to do it. Now, there's another way to do it that will save yourself a little bit. On the back, on this nipple in the back, it's made to take a pipe. You can put like a fuel line on it, and you run it out and down into a bottle of brake fluid. And so the bottle of brake fluid will be down on the floor, and the pipe will be going down into it. And it's nice if it's clear, because when you press on the pedal, it'll go blub, 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 and you'll see the bubbles popping out of the brake fluid. And then you close it again. And that way, then, if you accidentally let the pedal up by accident with the valve open, it won't suck in any air. It'll just suck in brake fluid. You see, so it's a little bit more foolproof. It's a better way to do it, no question. But, you know, I'm just doing this quick and dirty here now. So, basically that's it. That's how to do your brakes. Now, that'll work on most motorcycles. I shouldn't say most. I mean, I don't know. I don't have enough experience to say most, but it works on a lot. I know it works on my Harley, it works like that. My Hondas, it works like it. I think the Buell does it the same thing. The Yamaha does it. I don't know. I think most do. Anyway, you can also do it with the front brakes. It's the same thing. But it's good to have a buddy to do it too, so you don't have to go pressing and opening and pressing and opening all together. So there you go. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or comments, or if anybody has any better ideas, feel free to post them up. And good luck with your stuff. And listen, the way it is with this brake system stuff, the first time you'll probably mess it up, and you'll probably fill your system with water. With with air, and who cares? Then you fix it. It's no big deal. Just get at it. Like don't shy away from it. This is not hard stuff. You can do this, no trouble. So just have the confidence to get at it, do it. Know you're going to fool it up at least once, and just go for it and have fun. And hopefully I can help. Hopefully this helped. Anyway, let me know. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time.